As a student and as a teacher, for years, I limited myself with the assumption that I had a bad memory and that was my lot in life. And that if I wanted to remember something in long term memory, the only way to do it was to just drill it over and over again in a boring, rote, mechanical, monotonous way. What I was missing was a method, and learning the method of loci or the memory palace or journey method has totally transformed how I think about learning and how I think about teaching. It's helped me to commit to memory poetry, classic myths, facts from history, the presidents, my credit card numbers, and on and on. If you're a teacher or a doctor and you're struggling with something that you want to remember, like for example, in December, trying to remember a student's name, or you're a doctor and you're speaking to a patient and you're trying to recall a side effect for a particular drug, if there's anything that you're um, wanting to commit to memory, or just facts from history or poetry, whatever it might be, then this workshop is for you. I'm going to be introducing and teaching you the method of loci or the journey method or the memory palace. It goes by different names. And if you are someone who does really want to learn how to remember things in a reliable way, you can do it. What you need is a method, and the method is reliable. It's backed by neuroscience, but the thing that draws me to it is just the rich history of going back to the ancient Greeks and Romans and medieval times. The method, memory was thought of as an art, and this was the key. One of the key aspects of the art of memory was using space.